Alright guys, customer just dropped off his Jeep. It's a CJ7. Brought it to us to do a belly pan, torque arm, ram assist, and of course an Atlas transfer case. This is just step one for him, so stay tuned for the build. So I went to bolt up the Atlas, and first the customer wants to fix some of his leaks, and so I pulled the back of the tranny off, and what do we got here? Two-piece unit. So we found the leak. We got our Atlas in, and we built a custom belly pan to protect it. 1350 CV drive lines, front and rear. We fixed the transmission adapter, and then we installed a WFO custom torque arm kit to keep the springs from wrapping up. And that's it for this build for now.